Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create this wave animation in Blender. So let's start. Click on File, New, click on 2D Animation. Okay, now how should I approach? First thing that I need is the material of my water. So I click on this plus icon, click on New, change this to white stroke and click on Fill so that I can fill the color. So let's make it blue. Okay, so blue color is fine for me and click on this box. Zoom out by pressing scrolling up and down your mouse. So make sure that you are in pen mode, not in pencil, and strength is 1. Increase the radius or subdivision as per your requirement. Simply draw the rectangle like this, press enter. Now we have created it, but where are the waves? Okay, so I will go here and apply wave distortion. Increase the amplitude. Okay, nothing is showing. Why? Because I am not in viewport shading. Notice it's here. Click on horizontal because I want it to be here. Now still it's quite low. So I increase the amplitude. Okay, but they are quite close to each other. Increase the period more. I think this much is fine. Now here's something called phase. So what we can do is press 0. Make sure that you're at 0 frame. Keyframe this, go to the end frame that is 250 and increase its value to 60 and keyframe it. So if I click on play, notice it's animating. Now what I can do is, one thing that you notice observe is that this wave is going in this direction. I want the wave go in this direction forward. So what I will do is I will go to the forward and type -60 instead of 60, and if I click on play, now it is going forward. One more issue that you notice, it is going slow a little bit, after that is going fast, now it's again slow. So I will go to timeline, select this face width, select these, press T, make it linear. So now it's go starting speed it will be constant. Okay, you can increase or decrease the speed as per your requirement, it's up to you. Now I will go to the 0th frame, press 0 to exit the camera mode. Now watch carefully what I am doing. So go to the object mode, select this, press Shift D, G, Y, press G, Z, select this, go here. Notice keyframes are here on location. Make sure to clear keyframes, okay? Else it will move, back to its original location and it will be look quite messy. Again press Shift D, G, Y, G, Z, and GX little bit, provide little bit offset, GX. Right click clear keyframes, make sure that you clear keyframes as well, else it will create unwanted issue. If I click on play animation, you can see how it look like. Looks good to me. What's your thought? Do you like it? And if you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.